Alright, today I'm going to be demonstrating how to MIG weld. We've got the MIG gun right here. Here's our machine. We've got our wire speed set to about 375 or so. Got our voltage set to F. You gotta have gas. This is our shielding gas for our weld. Open this top valve all the way. And then you're gonna set this to 17 PSI. 17. So when we're MIG welding, it's basically just point and shoot. So you want the gun about maybe like 3/4 of an inch to a 1/2 inch away from the metal. You want to have the filler rod only sticking out about a 1/2 inch when you start, or it'll be all spattery and you'll get a mess everywhere. But basically, you point it, you bring it in close, go in either circles or C's or whatever you feel comfortable with. You're just going to carry a puddle right along. I'm gonna do a practice weld on this to show you. Turn the machine on. So there we have a decent bead. I wasn't too consistent at the end, it got thinner. You want to stay consistent with your speed and your motions. But that's not too bad. Right here, I'm welding the corners of this block together. So I've got a small gap in between so I have good penetration. And then I'm also going to want to weave back and forth from metal to metal because you want to make sure you're melting both metals together. That's a pretty decent bead. I've made sure I melted both sides. Not much undercut at all. It's pretty consistent. I kept the thickness all the way through. That'll hold just fine.